Imagine waking up to a bank account overflowing with cash, all from a simple digital marketing strategy that anyone, even a complete beginner, can master. That's exactly what happened to me when I stumbled upon a game-changing hack that skyrocketed my income to $1 million in just 6 months. And no, this isn't some get-rich-quick scam or shady tactic. It's a proven, step-by-step method that millionaires quietly use to dominate the online world. Ready to unlock their secrets? Let's dive in. And don't forget to grab your copy of the Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 ebook guide, link in the description, to fast-track your success. The moment, everything changed. 6 months ago, I was stuck in a dead-end job, barely scraping by. I tried every side hustle, dropshipping, blogging, even selling random stuff on Etsy, but nothing worked. Then I met a mentor at a digital marketing conference who shared a single strategy that flipped my life upside down. This wasn't about spamming ads or begging for clicks. It was about leveraging one overlooked platform with a hyper-targeted approach that practically prints money. Curious? Keep reading, because you're about to learn the exact method I used, and you can too. Want the full playbook? Check the Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 in the description. The hack: micro niche funnels on TikTok. Here's the secret: micro niche funnels on TikTok. Most marketers chase broad audiences, but the real money lies in hyper-specific niches, like vegan pet accessories or minimalist bullet journals. I use TikTok's algorithm to target a tiny, passionate audience with short, engaging videos that drove them to a simple sales funnel. The result? A 300% conversion rate and $1 million in revenue in just 6 months. The best part? You don't need a big budget or fancy equipment, just a phone and this strategy. Ready to start? The Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 ebook guide breaks it down step by step. Grab it now via the link in the description. Why it works in 2025. TikTok's algorithm in 2025 is a goldmine for marketers who know how to use it. Unlike other platforms, it rewards authenticity and niche content, pushing your videos to millions overnight if you hit the right notes. I focused on creating 15-second videos that spoke directly to my audience's pain points, then funneled them to a low-cost digital product. The key? A compelling call to action in every video and a seamless landing page. My first video went viral, driving 10,000 clicks in 24 hours. By month 6, I had a 6-figure monthly income. Want to replicate this? The Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 shows you exactly how. Check the description to order. How you can do it. Here's the breakdown. Find your niche. Use tools like Google Trends or TikTok's search bar to spot underserved markets. Create content. Post 3 to 5 videos daily with clear emotional hooks. E.g., struggling with pet allergies? This vegan toy changed everything. Build a funnel. Use a free tool like ClickFunnels to create a landing page offering a low-cost product or freebie. Scale with ads. Reinvest profits into TikTok ads to amplify your reach. I started with $50 and a smartphone. Within weeks, I was earning $10,000 a month. By month 6, I hit $1 million. This isn't theory, it's my story, and it can be yours. For a detailed guide, get the Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 ebook guide, link in the description. Why wait? Act now. Millionaires don't wait for permission, they act. This strategy is working right now in 2025, but trends shift fast. If you wait, you'll miss the wave. Start today. Pick a niche, film a video, and set up your funnel. Need help? The Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 has templates, scripts, and tools to make it stupidly simple. Order it now via the link in the description and start building your million-dollar empire. Your next steps. Don't let another day pass watching others cash in. This hack is your ticket to financial freedom. Watch my next video for advanced funnel tips and grab the Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 ebook guide to get the full strategy. Link in the description, click it, order it, and let's make millions together.